MCP RAG AI agents. The three terms you are seeing everywhere in 2026, and most people have no idea what the difference between them. Stay until the end of this video. I will show you one line rule for knowing exactly which one to use and every single time. Here is the simplest way to think about them. MCP is a protocol like a standard plug socket so LLMs can connect to the tools. While RAG is a technique like inject real world knowledge into your LLM at query time. AI agents are a behavior, the LLM that loops, decide, and acts on their own. They're all different layers and they don't replace each other. They are like a stack. Model Context Protocol or MCP solves a wiring problem. Before MCP, every app had to build its own custom integration to let the LLM talk to GitHub, database, or your file system, or any other external tools. Total chaos. MCP gives you one standard, like a host, like Cloud Desktop or IDE can run MCP client that speak the same protocol to any MCP server. Server A talks to GitHub, server B runs to database query, server C reads and writes files. One protocol, any tools, that's MCP. Whereas RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, solves the knowledge problems. LLMs are frozen in time. They don't know what's in your private docs, your latest database, or what happened yesterday. RAG fixes that in 5 steps. User sends a query, a retriever search your knowledge base, PDF, vector DBs, code. The relevant documents comes back and the query plus those documents are sent to the LLM. The LLM answers using fresh and real knowledge. No fine-tuning required. Whereas AI agent solves an autonomy problem. A plain LLM answers one question and stop. An agent is a continuous loop. It has memory to track the context across step. It has tools like APIs, web app, access, code interpreters. It takes actions, observes what happened, and then decides what to do next. The loop keeps going until the task is done, or a human steps in to adjust the autonomy level. So agents don't just respond, they work. Here's the one-liner rule and when to use which. Need to connect to an LLM to tools standardly, use MCP. Need to the LLM to know the real current information, use RAG. Need the LLM to complete a multi-step task on its own, go for AI agents. And in practice, you will often use all three of them together. So here are the key takeaway. MCP is a protocol, RAG is like a technique or knowledge, agents is like a behavior or autonomy. Which one of you are building with this right now? Drop it in my comment section. I'm happy to hear your feedback. If you like this video, press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.